Changing your Shopify theme is a simple process that can greatly impact the look and feel of your online store. To start, log into your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the online store section. From here, click on the Themes option, which will take you to the Theme Manager page. On this page, you will see the current theme that is live on your store, as well as any other themes you have installed. To add a new theme, click on the Add Theme button, and then choose either to visit the Shopify theme store or upload a theme file. The Shopify theme store offers a wide variety of free and paid themes that can be easily installed. Once you have selected a new theme, click on the Add Theme button to install it to your store. The new theme will be added to your Theme Manager page, where you can preview it by clicking on the Preview button. This will give you a chance to see how the theme looks on your store without affecting the live version. If you like the new theme, you can click on the Publish button to make it live on your store. Your old theme will be saved as a backup in case you need to switch back. It is also a good idea to make a duplicate of your current theme before making any changes, so you can easily switch back if needed. Before publishing your new theme, make sure to customize it to fit your brand. This can include adding your logo, changing colors and fonts, and adding any necessary pages or sections. Most Shopify themes come with a built-in editor that allows you to make these changes easily. After customizing your new theme, click on the Publish button to make it live on your store. Your new theme will now be visible to all visitors, and you can continue to make adjustments as needed. Remember to always save a backup of your theme before making any major changes, and to test your store thoroughly after publishing a new theme to ensure everything is working correctly.